What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm doing a little bit of catch up. I did just get home from a Valentine's event, so if you want to see how I got this chocolate and roses makeup look, you could check it out here. I'm doing an unboxing of the IPSY February Glam Bag. It is this like faux crocodile print and this bubblegum pink, and it has this really cute little gold heart charm. So let's see what's inside. For the love of you, February 2026. From your feel-good playlist to your most decadent skincare, this month is your invitation to romance yourself with the self-care you deserve. Love that. I'm here for it. I'm all about indulging in myself. So let's get into it. First thing is this cake pistachio salted caramel perfume. Ooh, it smells really good. Yum. I know it says pistachio, but it actually kind of smells cherry. It smells like the Sol de Janeiro, but with like cherry. So that scent mixed with cherry, that's what this smells like. And it smells really, really good. I'm gonna throw this in my gym bag. That's like 100% going in my gym bag. Okay, next is the LMS Pro Collagen Black Cherry Cleansing Balm. I did choose this item. I was able to like select one. Kind of smells like cherry chapstick, but I wanted a travel size cleansing balm, like a makeup remover, so that's why I chose this. I know it's gonna be great. Next is the Prados Start with the Slay Primer. Then is the Plump and Pout Lip Plumping Booster from Beauty Creations. Interesting. It's like a little syringe. We'll see how plumping that is. Instantly tingling. And last is the Dew of the Gods Clay Date Rose Hyaluronic Rose Oil Clay Mask. I love Dew of the Gods, so I'm always so excited when I get a new product from them. Every product I've tried from them is like amazing. Hyaluronic Rose Clay Mask. I love that. I'm definitely gonna give that a go. That is what was in my February IPSY Glam Bag. If you like these videos, leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.